Hey everybody, quick update on my computer collection. I added some under table lighting, I guess you would call it. It was kind of dark under there where all these other computers were located, so spiffed it up a bit with some lighting strips, which you can see here. Really makes those other computers under there a lot more prominent and not look like they're just stowed away. And just to review, everyone seemed to really like the lava lights last time. Thank you. I got some arcade plushies that my kids made for me, and some posters there. Star Wars geekiness. An old handheld. We have a bunch of these old handhelds back there. I think I got another one somewhere. And some of the toys. I just wanted to let everyone see what it looked like with this cool cabinet lighting. I really like it. Yeah. I can change the colors. Alright. Thanks for letting me do a little refresher on the video. Take care.